nice and balanced here. Cruising through some neighborhoods of Japan on our way to Marshall's house.
Already here.
Oh, there we are. Perfect timing. I'm gonna be going on a little drive. What was Gilead? Whatever you call it. There we go. Alright. We just showed up. Guy's got a really clean R32 here. I think he was just fixing some paint chipping or something. I don't know what he was talking about. R33 V-Spec and Midnight Purple, dude. Whew. Just pissing off all the Japanese neighbors, dude. We got a Supra back here too. RX-7 over there, a little Dorito power.
Look at this thing. You ever seen a Hero 3 before?
GTS-T. Super clean though. Supra. We're gonna be riding together. To get drinks or something first. I'm guessing once we get closer to the mountains. So, oh, there's a little MR2 over there, dude. Look at that. Alright, we'll start recording when we get up there. Getting a little bit closer to the mountains now. I'm not going 20 miles an hour anymore, or like whatever the kilometer equivalent is. 30. Hey, 30 miles an hour here feels fast. Split up though, so we got caught in some lights. See the mountains just peeking through there in the back. We just got to the mountain area. Yeah, look at this. Japanese countryside. So I'm gonna be throwing this GoPro. We're gonna put it on the mount there. Oh. Straight driving footage from there, and then depending on what our battery's at, we'll do like a little, do some more clips outside the car and stuff when we stop. But all right. stop in here after the drive. 7-Eleven again. The beautiful R33s. RB. We're letting their cars cool off a little bit. With heat management. Uh oh, who's this guy? Security service. Trash cans out of the way, dude. Watch out for the Marana, dude. Oh, he's scraping for shirt. Oh, no.
Look at that, bro. It came with the side wheel.
Alright.